Here it is, so it's game two, still Who Wants to Be a Mathematician? We'll introduce the contestants in alphabetical order. And for game two, we have Mohammed Abelson from the and Devin Conchera from St. Louis Primary School. And Seema Patil from the and Dominic Torno from University City High School, UCity. So actually, Seema and I are working at cross purposes here because I like people cheering, and Seema says, do they really have to do that? But yes, Seema, they do have to do that. Question one for 100 points. Which one of the following TV characters shares a last name with the first word in Missouri's capital? Is it George Jefferson, Fred Flintstone, Cookie Leon, or Kimmy Schmidt? All right, question one for 100 points. Everyone knew it was George Jefferson, very good, or Jefferson City. For 200 points, question two. What is the volume of a cone whose radius and height are both 3 feet? Is it 9 pi cubic feet, 18 pi cubic feet, 27 pi cubic feet, or 36 pi cubic feet? See who chose what, or what was chosen. 2 chose C, 2 chose A, and the correct answer is A. That's right, 9 pi cubic feet. And let's go get right. Question three for 300 points. What is the ones or units digit of 1 plus 2 squared, all the way up to 2 to the 99th power? That big sum there. Is that units digit 1, 3, 5, or 7? And the correct answer? Mohammed, you have the answer. And so we have, in this case here, we have graphs in the pictures. And so the regions we're talking about are being kind of the light blue or gray that you see there. And then each of the boundaries of them is a parabola. Yeah, so each one is a parabola that goes through the origin and either opens to the right or left, and then the region is shaded either inside or outside. So which of the following represents the region where f of xy equals x minus 2y squared is not positive? So it could be 0 or it could be negative. And so there's the 4 pictures there. I can't really read them. But again, they're parabolas with either shaded inside or outside, and 2 of them open to the right and 2 of them open to the left, and they both have their vertex at the or they all have their vertices at the origin. We'll see how many people chose each one. Nobody chose A, 3 chose B, and 1 chose C. And B is the correct answer, or the green arrow. What is the probability that a number selected at random from that set there, which is the numbers in the 40s, 40, 41, up to 49, has more than 3 factors or divisors? And in each case, when we're counting the factors or divisors, we include 1 and the number itself. And so we'll see how many people chose. Well, 4 people chose D, 3/5. Wow. Dominic says, well, we'll see. And that's right, very good. The circle pictured has center at TT and passes through the upper right corner of the rectangle, that orange thing there, which has a base of 2 and a vertical side length of 3. What is the radius of the circle? Is it 5 plus 2 square roots of 3, 5 minus 2 square roots of 3, 5 plus the square root of 3, or 5 minus the square root of 3? So we'll see. So we'll see what that does to the score. That was very good. 1,500, and then Devin has 1,000. What is the remainder when 13541 base 6? So not in the usual base 10, that's base 6. What is the remainder when that number is divided by 5? Is it 0, 2, 3, or 4? Well, one person chose B2 and one chose A0, and the correct answer is? It was D4. Mohammed, you switch from D. So we'll see what that does to the scores. So Seema, that puts you in first place with 2200. Dominic right behind me, very tight game with 1800, Devin with 1700, and Mohammed with 1500. So with the 800-point question, anybody could win here. Right? We'll let A, B, and C be positive, with A not equal to 1, and C a rational number. A rational number. For how many pairs BC does A to the B, that quantity raised to the C power, equal A to the b to the c power, assuming all quantities are defined. So are there no such pairs? Exactly one, more than one but a finite number, or an infinite number? I don't know. Or see who chose what first, or how many people. So one person chose B, that's you, Muhammad, and 3 people chose D. Muhammad, it could be, and then it was D, yes, an infinite number. But that's a very hard question. So nice going, 3 of you getting that right. Very good. And so we'll see what that does to the score. We'll see who wins. You can see 2,600 points, and then Devin with 2,500 points, and Muhammad with 1,500 points. How about a nice hand for the game 2 contestant?